Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to go over the neckline, and in particular, how we need to clean up the back of our neck, the side of our neck, and the under portion of our beard. Now, it's tough to do this by ourselves. That's why a lot of people go to the barbers to get this done. If we aren't comfortable enough to go to the barber to start cleaning up around the neck, I think this is a good time for you guys to start practicing cleaning up your neck. So I want to do something fun. I want to do half of the neck and the back portion of my neck with a razor, and then I want to do the other side with the clippers. And I think this is a good way to show you guys kind of what a beginner's side would go through to more of the advanced when you start pulling out the blade. Now in this tutorial, we're going to be using some clippers for this side, and then we're also going to follow it up with the electric razor. Now on this side, we're going to be using the straight razor, okay? Now any of these products or any of these things that you see today, go down in the link. I got all of the products down there for you, so if there's something that you like, you're definitely more welcome to check it out. Now on top of that, make sure to get yourself ready. I just got out of the shower. I put in a lot of beard conditioner. Remember, this is gonna soften up our skin, actually help you out getting ready to shave, clip off all the hairs. That way it's easier, it's better. Artis has got a special going on right now. Promo code Scott25, get yourself 25% off their conditioner. Okay, so for this side, we're gonna be using shaving cream. Remember, Artis has got shaving cream too as well. Type in that promo code Scott, save yourself 10%. All right, so we're gonna get some shaving cream. We're gonna put this all on the neck area. All right, now to start, what I wanna give you guys an example is I wanna make a shape. So with my beard line that I have right here, I wanna follow my sideburn and I wanna bring it all the way down. So this is gonna be my first area where I wanna clean up. So I'm gonna push my beard to the side, and then I just wanna slowly bring down my razor. All right, so as I got my shape right here, I'm gonna follow it up by raising up my beard, and then I want to follow along this way. So we're going to raise it up, and then we're going to follow this line right here of my neck. See how I have this like little area right here? Well, it's up to you if you want to follow the line or if you want to keep that hair growth out. And so for me, I just want to clean it up just a bit. Perfect. All right, last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up the back of my neck. We'll use the nice little handy dandy mirror here. All right, so now that's done, let's do the clippers on the other side. Now with the clippers, it's nice, you can use this as a line and a preference. So same thing, just here, we're gonna make this line, we're gonna follow it. There we go. So looks pretty good. And that's the pro and con of the clippers. I guess I could say with the razor. With the clippers, you're obviously gonna be having all those hairs kind of flying off, and then the shower kind of becomes redundant because you're gonna be itchy all day. With the razor, you know you're not gonna have any hairs that fall. It sticks with the gel. So pros and cons of the clippers to the razor. All right, now I did a little bit of a wardrobe change, put my shirt on that I'm gonna go out for the day. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a time lapse. Let's just style everything out and we'll call it a day, all right? And there you go. I just wanted to bring this up, let you guys know that there are options when it comes to cleaning up your neck and your neckline when you're growing out your beard. You have to think about your goals when it comes to growing out your beard. And I want your style to reflect those goals. That way when you're going out in public and you're seeing your friends and your peers, your game is on point. So like always, my philosophy is try new things, all right? Try something that's out of your comfort zone, that you're not really familiar with, that you're not interested in doing, because you never know, you might be really good at it. And when it comes to grooming our hair, our beard, and our mustache, this is no difference. You can do it. You know, there's one thing to go to the barber, there's one thing to have someone show you how to do it, but it's another to be able to do it yourself, all right? Thank you guys for coming along. Like always, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!